In this video, I'm going to show you how your zoom option works. So I have an equation in here. I'm going to go ahead and graph it. And then I want my grid lines to show. So in a previous video, I showed you how to do that. Go back to Format and turn the grid on, or to turn the grid lines on. And let's say this is just too small for me and I don't want to mess with the window. I can go into Zoom. And I have quite a few options. So let's do the first one, zoom box. So if you just press enter, nothing happens. If I press zoom again, and I actually make a box, so let's say I want to start here, so I went over first, and then I press enter, it's going to zoom into wherever I made that box. Now, if I want to go back to normal, I can either change the window, or I can go back to zoom and look for standard, so zoom 6, and that'll take me back to my original. If I go back into zoom and I just want to zoom in a little, I can press 2 or scroll down to 2. Move to wherever I want to zoom to. So let's say this doesn't quite go to a whole number, so I want to zoom in to see what exactly this is. Wherever you want to zoom in, you press enter, and it will take you to that place and zoom in. If you press enter again, it's going to keep zooming in. So if you look at this ordered pair is where my dot is right now. I'm really close to the x-axis, but it's not quite -1. Now again, if you want to go back to normal, you could, I hit second, I didn't mean to do that, go back to zoom, press 6, and you're back to normal. What you could have also done, so I'm going to go back to zoom and I'm going to zoom in. Oop, too far. Oops, I don't know what I did. So I'm zoomed in. I can also zoom out. So go back to zoom, go down to number 3 or press 3. And from where I am right now, I'm just going to press enter. And it's going to start zooming back out until it gets to a place you want to stop. If you keep pressing enter, it's going to zoom out a lot and you won't really be able to see it. Notice how this just looks like the XY axis, but notice where your ordered pair is. This is so far zoomed out that you can't see the grid lines or anything like that. I'm going to go back to the standard. In your zoom option, you have a lot. Some of them we won't talk about in this class, so I'm not going to go over every single zoom feature. When we get into doing stat stuff on here, like we're putting data into our stat list, that's when we'll talk about zoom stat. Zoom fit also kind of goes along with zoom stat, so if your data is not in your regular -10 × 10 window, zoom fit will take you to wherever you need to be. If you go to zoom A, so you'd have to scroll up or down to find this letter A, and do quadrant 1. This might be a little bit more advanced for algebra, but it will take you to the first quadrant. Oops. And then same thing for, I'm sorry, it only has one quadrant. But your main zoom options that you're going to be looking for, if you want to zoom into a certain place or zoom out of that certain place, if you want to zoom in on a certain section of the graph, use zoom box. And then no matter what, if you are too zoomed in or too zoomed out, to always go back to zoom standard to take you back to the home screen.